Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
TikTok affiliate marketing refers to a strategy where individuals or businesses promote products or services on the TikTok platform and earn a commission for driving sales or leads to the products or services provider. This is done through affiliate programs or partnerships with companies that are willing to compensate affiliates for their marketing efforts. To make money as a TikTok affiliate, you can follow these steps. 1. Choose a niche. Select a specific niche or industry that you are passionate about or have knowledge in. Your TikTok content should be relevant to this niche, making it easier to promote affiliate products or services within that niche. 2. Join affiliate programs. Research and join affiliate programs related to your chosen niche. Many companies and brands have affiliate programs that offer commissions for sales or leads generated through your affiliate links. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareSale, and many more. Three. Create engaging content. Create engaging and high-quality TikTok videos that resonate with your target audience. Your content should be informative, entertaining, or inspiring, depending on your niche and what your audience expects. 6. Test and analyze. Keep track of the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts on TikTok. Pay attention to metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and commission earnings. This will help you identify what works best for your audience. 7. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your TikTok followers. Building a strong and interactive community can help boost your credibility and encourage more people to trust your recommendations. 8. Collaborate with brands. As your TikTok following grows, brands may reach out to collaborate with you on sponsored posts or affiliate partnerships. This can lead to more opportunities and higher earnings. 9. Diversify your content. Don't rely solely on affiliate marketing content. Create a variety of content that keeps your audience engaged and entertained. This will help you grow your follower base and potentially reach more potential customers. 10. Stay updated. Keep up to date with TikTok's policies and guidelines, as well as any changes in the affiliate programs you're a part of. Comply with the rules to maintain a good standing and avoid potential issues.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.